In this video, I'll show you how you can upload videos, both portrait and landscape, to your Facebook page. So first, open up the Facebook app, and then once you're on Facebook, you need to go to your profile icon, which is going to be in the bottom right hand corner. So go ahead and click on that. Just make sure you're logged into the correct page. So as you can see, I'm on my personal Facebook. We're going to click on the downwards arrow, and then we're going to change to the page. So mine is KnowledgeBase. Once we are on the page, we're now viewing Facebook from that page. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and post a video. So to do that, go to the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner again. Then click on your page's logo or name in the top left. That will take you to your page's profile. From here, what we can do is we can go ahead and scroll down to what's on your mind. Click on that. Then you will see photo/video. Click on that. And then we will open up the camera roll. Here you can go ahead and filter through your albums for a video, but it will probably show you your most recent videos. You can then choose to upload any of these videos. I'll just choose this portrait video of a tutorial that I've done. We can then click next. Here we can go to edit in the top left hand corner. You can choose a frame here to work as the thumbnail, or you can also click add from gallery if you've got a custom one. Then enter in a title. I'm just going to call this video test. And you can also enter in a description as well with relevant keywords related to your video. If you're a local page or a local business, I would change the location to the location you're actually in because it's going to help for discovery. And once you've done that, you can then click post now in the bottom, and that will then start to upload your video. As you can see, we're uploading it and Facebook has recognized it as a reel. And that's probably what it's going to do with portrait videos. Landscape are a little bit different and they act differently on the Facebook profile. Nonetheless, I would upload both portrait and landscape. But as you can see, after a couple of seconds, we've now got this video uploaded. It's viewable on our profile. People can like, comment and share it. And they can also watch the video. So I hope that video helped you out. Please let me know in the comments if it did.